Welcome back to Trending Cars, your number one destination for detailed, exciting, and honest car reviews where we take you beyond the brochure and straight into the heart of the vehicle. Today, we have something truly special, a machine that blurs the line between a luxury home and a high-performance vehicle, a rolling palace that combines German engineering with world-class comfort. Yes, we're talking about the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. This isn't just another RV. This is Mercedes-Benz redefining what travel and living on the road can feel like, taking innovation, elegance, and functionality to an entirely new level. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into every aspect of this luxurious home on wheels. From the outside, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome immediately commands attention. The design is a masterclass in blending modern aesthetics with aerodynamics. The front fascia carries the signature Mercedes grille with the large, proud star in the center, flanked by sleek digital LED headlights that look sharp and futuristic. The body lines are smooth, flowing from front to rear with a sense of motion even when it's parked. The extended chassis is perfectly proportioned, giving it a grand yet balanced appearance. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and premium alloy wheels make it look more like a luxury yacht on wheels rather than a bulky camper. Even small exterior details, like the integrated awning, hidden storage compartments, and custom paint options, reflect Mercedes' obsession with design precision. Step inside, and you're immediately transported to a five-star hotel suite. The interior is where the magic truly happens, with space and luxury taken to unimaginable heights. Mercedes has gone for a minimalist yet opulent design philosophy. Every material you touch feels premium. Soft Nappa leather upholstery, genuine wood veneers, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to your mood. The front driver's cabin feels like piloting a luxury SUV, with a fully digital instrument cluster, an enormous infotainment screen, and intuitive controls right at your fingertips. Moving further back, the living area opens up into a space that feels far more like a penthouse than an RV. You've got a plush sofa set with a retractable smart TV, a dining area that can seat four comfortably, and massive panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The kitchen is a masterpiece of efficiency and elegance, fully equipped with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, deep sink, and ample storage. The countertop finishes are top tier, and all appliances blend seamlessly into the cabinetry for a clean, uncluttered look. The bedroom feels like a true retreat. A full king-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and side tables makes it perfect for long-term travel comfort. Mercedes has even integrated a climate control system that ensures the bedroom temperature is always exactly how you want it. The bathroom rivals those in luxury apartments, with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, heated floors, and even an automated cleaning system. Every inch of the interior screams luxury, but it's also designed with functionality and smart storage in mind. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where Mercedes-Benz shows it's not just about comfort, but also about driving pleasure. The 2027 Motorhome is built on a reinforced Mercedes heavy-duty chassis and powered by a state-of-the-art 3.0 inline-six diesel engine with mild hybrid assistance. This powertrain delivers smooth, effortless torque for highway cruising while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The mild hybrid system helps with instant acceleration, smoother gear shifts, and better low-speed maneuverability. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience is calm, controlled, and surprisingly responsive. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the ride is unbelievably smooth, even on rougher roads. Mercedes has also included advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and even semi-autonomous highway driving capability. This makes long trips not only safer, but also far less tiring. Despite its size, the motorhome feels stable and confident on the road, and the turning radius is surprisingly manageable thanks to rear-wheel steering technology. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is its onboard technology. You get a fully integrated smart home system that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, all from either the central touchscreen or your smartphone. Solar panels on the roof help power the electrical systems, reducing the need to rely on external hookups. The water filtration system ensures you have clean drinking water anywhere you go, and the battery system is robust enough to run all your appliances even off-grid for extended periods. Now, we have to address the price, because a masterpiece like this doesn't come cheap. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome starts at around $1.6 million for the base configuration, and with customizations and luxury add-ons, it can easily cross the $2 million mark. But let's be clear, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in a lifestyle. For those who value comfort, style, and freedom without compromise, the price is justified. In real-world terms, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is for someone who wants to travel the world without ever giving up the feeling of home. Whether you're parked by a serene lakeside, overlooking a mountain range, or exploring a bustling city, you have every amenity you could need right there with you. The performance ensures that the journey is just as enjoyable as the destination, and the interior ensures that no matter where you are, you're surrounded by comfort and elegance. In conclusion, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is the ultimate expression of luxury travel. It combines the craftsmanship and engineering that Mercedes is famous for with the practicality and freedom of a motorhome, creating something truly extraordinary. This is not just a vehicle. It's a moving luxury estate, designed for those who refuse to settle for anything less than the best. If your dream is to explore without limits while living in unmatched comfort, this is as close to perfection as it gets.